Check whether the patient application form is consistent with the sample information, and check the information with the patient in person. Paste the corresponding inspection barcode on the virus collection tube. Follow the 7 steps hand washing method to disinfect the hands with the disinfectant solution. Follow the video to collect the patient's throat swab samples. In order to increase the viral load, it is recommended to take our throat swab samples and put in the same tube. Double-check the sample information. Put it in a separate sealed bag with the sample application form and disinfect hands again.